That was a nice one.
Welcome back, guys. It is the first day of Pennsylvania rifle season. Archery didn't treat us too well. Didn't have a whole lot of opportunity at any bucks I would have taken. I could have shot quite a few smaller ones, but nothing I really wanted to take in. But today we can shoot buck or doe, and bear came back in today. So, and we just found bear tracks on the property on Thanksgiving, so maybe hopefully someone will get a bear. That'd be pretty cool. We've never shot a bear on this property or really even seen them in season. But yeah, so it's currently like 7 o'clock. I had 2 doe behind me this morning, so I couldn't set up my camera arm here. I just sat there and watched them and made sure a buck wasn't following them. But hopefully we'll get some more action. There's been a lot of shooting going on this morning. It's a pretty nice morning. But yeah, so stick around and hopefully we'll at least see something decent today. We've been having a pretty good morning so far. We've seen 7 deer, 3 buck, and 4 doe. So they're moving today pretty good. Nothing that I'd really want to shoot other than that one half rack. I didn't get too good a video of him, but he came up, he snuck up on me. He's about 30 yards whenever I saw him, and the camera wouldn't focus or nothing on him, and it was real thick where he was walking through no good lanes, and couldn't really get focused on him. So he got a pass for today, and I didn't want to take a doe out first thing this morning, so I didn't shoot any of the ones I saw. Maybe this afternoon I'll pick off a doe, but not quite yet. I'm waiting for at least a decent buck to take. So, and then I don't know if I want to come back here or go find somewhere else, because my brothers, they're hunting a ways away, kind of towards the other side of the property, and they had a big group of doe come by. Like, they sent me a video of it. It was like, seemed to be about 15 went by them, but no bucks with them. So hopefully something will happen. It's been a good morning, seen a lot of activity. Just a couple minutes ago, Spike came walking by, but hopefully it stays steady, and hopefully we can get shot on camera for you guys and make it a good day. So we'll check back in around whenever I'm getting out. We'll see you guys then.
Oh, I think I got him. I hope I didn't rush that. Oh my God. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. 20 yards. That dude just ran. I think I hit him good. I think I f***ing got him. I spotted him walking up at it. That was a nice one. That was a good one. Oh, man. I could not get him in camera. I had so many opportunities to shoot him, and he got right to here. I didn't see him go down, though. That's the only thing that's worrying me. I swear I hit him real good, but I didn't see him go down. But he hunched up like he's hit. I think I got a good one. That was a real nice buck. Fuck yeah. Oh, everyone's texting me. Oh man, that was a good buck. That was a real good buck. I didn't even care to count. He was wide. He wasn't that tall, but I don't think we've ever got that buck on camera. Oh man, I was due for a decent one. I just hope he went down in there. I did hear him stop running. He went right back to where he came from. We're setting up. We're all set up here in tree stands in a line, waiting for my dad. That's down there where he came from. That's a good spot for us to drive out. So we're all getting set up, waiting. And I saw deer whenever I got in the stand, and there was just a couple doe. And I kept pulling up looking for him. I couldn't see him through all this brush. And then I finally saw something coming up through, so I pulled up the binoculars, and I just saw he was out past his ear, and I was like, oh, that's a good buck coming. So I instantly started getting the camera ready, trying to find where he's coming. I could not get the camera on him till he was coming through this thick stuff, and I thought, I didn't know what he was going to do, if he was going to go to my right or my left, but he ended up hanging to the left there, and I got him to stop right there. Oh, I'm going to climb down and look for blood before they start this drive. I'll take you guys with. We'll go check for blood, and then if there is, we're not gonna follow up right away. We'll wait till they're all done, and then we'll go follow up. See if we can't get us a doe. But that was a good buck. All right, let's get to it. Well, I got down and looked a little bit, but I didn't look a whole hell of a lot for too long. My brother, right after I shot, I guess a lot of, probably that same group of does that they saw this morning, went running up back by, and he shot at a 6-point, but he also said there was a big 8-point running. I don't know if I just wounded him or maybe I didn't even hit him, but I looked back. I didn't look too hard. I just looked around where I shot and down a little bit, but I didn't want to go down in yet till someone else is over here with me. But I guess they got blood over there where he shot, so I'm just hanging out till they find him or someone comes over here. So yeah, hopefully it was a good shot. Reviewing the footage, like, I don't know if it was a glare from the sun, but see something, like, it looks like something hit his back. But you also see fur fly down there. It was a little bit back from where I wanted, but you see fur fly from down heart and lungs. So, and whenever he went to run away, if I shot him where it looked like I shot him in the back, where it could have hit him in the back, the fur wasn't messed up at all. And where it looked like I hit, if I hit there, he would have dropped on the spot, because that would have been right on his spine. So I think I put it down low in the general area of heart and lungs, but just a little bit back further than I wanted.
So hopefully I got the lungs at least, and he just made it down that far. Because once he got out of sight, I could hear him running all the way down, and then not long after he got out of sight, it just stopped. But it didn't sound like a crash, so I don't know, hopefully mine's laying down there and Dan's is laying over there somewhere. Yeah, because that was a good buck. I will say I did slightly rush it, but yeah. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna wait till someone gets over here so I can point him to where I shot from the stand, and we can continue from there. But I don't know. Hopefully we find him. I was pretty stoked that I took the shot, that I saw him. You know, it's a good buck. But man, I will say I did rush it a little bit, but he was right there, 30 yards maybe, and I freaking gave it to him. If I miss that bad, I better go sight my gun in again. But yeah, so we're gonna hang tight. And it's probably better we're waiting just in case I did not hit him. I didn't hit him too good. Hopefully he's expiring right now, or laying down there somewhere. Who knows, but I don't know. Only time will tell, I guess.
Well guys, excuse my messed up hair, but I just went and I reviewed the footage so many times. I literally could not figure out where I shot him, couldn't find blood, nothing. I went down, there's one of our trails down here, walked back and forth on that, couldn't find nothing. So I was like, I just gotta go where I seen him last. Because I stopped, I didn't hear him running after where I last seen him. I was like, he's gotta be down in there somewhere, bedded down or dead. And so I went down, got below where I seen him last, look up, laying there 20 yards. Oh my God, it's awesome. I left my hat down there so I wouldn't lose where he was. I came up to get my camera to show you guys. But man, he's the nicest buck I've shot. He's not a monster, huge monster, but he's still a really nice deer for here in Pennsylvania. I gotta find my hat, but just like this, came walking down this trail, and I just started looking back in here where I seen him last. So I think I cut into here. Yeah, because I saw him coming down into here, and I figured he'd be laying down in here. So I'm looking down in here. So, I was looking down in here. Oh yeah, I think I was following this deer trail. Just kept looking down in here and looking up in here. And I turned, and there he laid. There's my hat where I marked it. Man, not that much mass. Man, he is wide. Nice 8-point. Pretty tall. Just a nice deer. My biggest buck by far. Hit him, I'm assuming I hit him right in the lungs with that shot. I'm not really sure what that is. That's not bullet hole, that is. But, oh, I couldn't be more pleased. That's a nice deer right there. I just can't get over it. He's so freaking wide. I'm so glad we found him though. Like, I might go look to see if there's blood back, but I don't think he bled a whole lot. Like, I feel like I would have seen something on him, but I did not see a lot of blood, and like, there's not a lot of blood on his side. That would have been entrance there. But oh, I'm so glad, because they had me second guessing myself, because not long after I shot, my brother that was out the way shot, and he's like, I seen a pretty big one running with him, but I couldn't get a shot, and he shot at a 6-point, and he thought he missed. So they found blood, and they had me thinking my deer's over there running around wounded or something. So I just kept reviewing footage, looking for blood, couldn't find it. So I figured I'd come old-fashioned tracking, just looking at scuffed up leaves and stuff, and then I didn't even really have to. I came in down to here and looked up, and there he laid. Oh, it feels so good to find this deer. They had me thinking I just whiffed the shot. We did it. PA rifle opener. Put down a nice 8-point. Couldn't feel better. That's what it's all about right there. It was perfect. Got it all on camera. Couldn't be more pleased. Well, I still have doe tag and bear tag, so we'll keep this video rolling. This is only the start. We still got a doe and a bear to kill. We're gonna keep the hunt rolling. Gonna get this one gutted out to the truck. We'll hunt for the rest of the day and go home and clean this bad boy up. So, we'll see you guys then.